bioreactor. Before discussing this, let me tell you that bioprocess technology includes the three central components. First is there the best live cells, which act as a catalyst for specific function or process. Second, best possible environment for catalysts to perform. Best possible environment for catalysts to perform. Third is downstream processing. When we talk about best possible environment for catalysts to perform, it is provided in this special vessel, which is known as bioreactor or fermenter. It is the vessel. It is specialized vessel designed for large scale production of products. Desired environmental conditions can be maintained inside the fermenter and products produced accordingly. Here I am going to elaborate. Here I am going to discuss different parts of this basic fermenter. This is fermenter and this is its outer body of fermenter. This outer covering, which is known as body of fermenter. The materials used in building of the body of fermenter must be corrosion resistant to prevent contamination of trace metals, non-toxic to cell growth, and body of fermenter must be tolerant to high temperature and pressure. Fermenter can be made up of stainless steel or glass. Apart from fermenter, there is one more component, this baffles. These are called baffles. These are actually baffles. What are these? These are actually metallic strips. You can check here. These are actually metallic strips about 1/10 of vessel diameter, which are radially attached to the wall of vessel. You can check here. These improve aeration efficiency by increasing turbulence of culture medium. Baffles are also used to break the vortex formation in the vessel or fermenter, which is usually highly undesirable as it changes the center of gravity of system and consumes additional power. So this baffle, it is metallic strip which prevents vortex formation. It also improves aeration efficiency by increasing turbulence of culture medium. Then there is impeller. These I M P E L L E R. Impeller. From motor moves this rod, and from this rod emerges different impellers. This is impellers. What is the function of the impeller? It helps in proper mixing. When these impellers move, it helps in the proper mixing of nutrient medium and the cells of organism. Then apart from this, there is this one, temperature sensor and control unit. This one, what for? It is meant for heat is generated in the fermenter due to continuous operation of motor. Due to continuous operation of motor, heat is generated. Secondly, the microbial cells also utilize the nutrients and increase cell density. This results in increased metabolism and heat generation. To counter the effect of metabolic heat, fermenter is equipped with thermostatically controlled internal heating cells. After increase in temperature, cooling water, here it is cooling water. Cooling water is circulated through the jacket. Cooling water is circulated through the jacket from after maintaining the temperature of this after system, the temperature the water is discharged from the cooling outlet. Here cooling water in, it is circulated through the jacket. After maintaining the temperature of the system, cooling water is discharged from cooling outlet. Here it is cooling water out. Cooling outlet when the temperature is maintained. Apart from this, there is one more thing, pH probe. It is actually pH control system. The pH of growth medium changes due to utilization of nutrients and production of metabolites. The change in pH affects overall physiology of growing organisms and declines the efficiency of fermentation. Therefore, a pH probe is attached inside. It is attached inside. You can check out here. It is attached inside the fermenter, which always remains in touch with growth medium. Here, growth medium is a space for growth medium, which always remains in touch with the growth medium. The pH of growth medium is maintained by supplying additional acid or base from acid-base reservoir. So you can see here motor. This is culture or nutrient addition input line through which we can add culture or nutrient medium. These are impellers. This is baffle, and at the bottom there is sparger. It is a device at the bottom of fermenter for the entry of air into the liquid medium. Then there is this harvester line through which we can obtain the product. So it is all about fermenter or bioreactor.